how to toast bread. This is one of the easiest tasks you can do. I'm surprised that you even clicked on this video. There's absolutely nothing to be ashamed of. Everyone needs help from time to time. Simply follow the step-by-step instructions. If you can manage that, you stupid idiot. It's as simple as loading the bread into the toaster, setting the toaster to the highest setting, pulling down the lever, and simply waiting. Oh no, it's burnt. Let's start again. Load in the bread, reduce the setting, down the lever. It's burnt. Load in the bread, reduce the setting, down the lever. It's burnt. 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 Reduce the down the lever. It's burnt. Reduce the setting, down the lever. That's still burnt. There must be something wrong with this bread. Try different bread. Load in the bread, down the lever. It's burnt. Try different bread. Load in the bread, down the lever. That's still burnt. It doesn't work with store-bought bread. Let's make our own bread. 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast. 1 teaspoon salt. 2 cups warm water. Thoroughly mix. 1 egg. Mix. 3 cups all-purpose flour. Mix. Knead dough. Roll into a ball. Cover with a tea towel for 30 minutes. Place in bread pan. Place in oven. Bake at 175 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. It's burnt! Oh, for fuck's sake! That's perfect. Enjoy.